think this oversized load is? Hello folks, this is Steve A. What do we think this oversized load is? Is he going to change lanes? He doesn't have any blinkers on the trailer. Where's he going? Oh, there they are. He finally turned them on. Let's see what this oversized load is. Let's see what this oversized Pro 4 big wheels TerraGator. 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 What does that mean? That's for chewing up land. Something like that. Like to get away from stuff like that because he's got blinking lights, but that's big. TerraGator. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. Steve A. Site C73.